What's going on, guys? Welcome to my Japanese apartment tour. We're starting off with the entrance of my apartment. It's a nice little area you can take off your shoes before actually walking around in the house. As you can see, I have a lot of shoes. I like to collect shoes. And here is my front door. I have a little mailbox here, and I also have another mailbox downstairs. Why they give me two mailboxes, I don't really know. Now here is the kitchen. It's a pretty nice sized kitchen, and it connects to all three of the bedrooms. Really no complaints there. Here's a little remote I have in each room. I can control how bright the light gets, and I can turn it off and on. It's kind of cool. Over here I have a water control panel. I can control how hot the water gets. And here is my gas stove. I can cook two things on top. And I have this really small fish oven. I wish I had a big oven, but most Japanese houses don't have it. Here is my counter space. It's a small counter. And there is the sink. I can store a lot of stuff underneath, and I could store a lot of stuff on top. There's a nice little area I could put my dishes too. Here is the microwave and my refrigerator. It's a pretty good sized refrigerator, I'd say. So now we're moving on to the first bedroom, and this is where I spend most of my time because it's the only room in the house that has an AC unit, and it gets pretty hot in the summer. Here's my futon, and here is the TV and my Japanese kotatsu table. It has like a little electric heater I use throughout the winter. Now we are moving on to probably one of the coolest rooms, sneak peek. Here is the Japanese tatami room. I don't really sleep here often. I kind of use it as like a guest room, but it has a nice smell to it, and it's kind of cool actually. It has a pretty big closet here too. I could put a lot of stuff there. It's not quite the biggest room, but it's kind of cool because it has sliding doors, the tatami, and it also connects to the patio area I have. So now we're moving on to the next area of my apartment, and this was kind of a surprise for me when I got here. Apparently in most houses, the toilet and the shower are in two separate rooms. So this is just the toilet. Really nothing special to see here. On the wall I have light switches. Now this room here, it's not quite the shower, but it is a nice little room where I can wash my face, brush my teeth, and there's a nice little sink here. And here's a mirror, some lights. Now here's a washer. I do laundry inside my house. I don't have a dryer because that's most Japanese houses don't. Now here's the shower. It's like a big shower room. Let's take a step inside. Here I have the shower head. You could put it up here as well. And here I can control where the water comes out. I can control if I want to do a shower or take a bath. There's the bathtub. It's kind of cool. And this door right here, you could slide it closed. That's what it looks like when it's closed. Now let's get out of here. Now we're on to the last room of the apartment, my personal gym room. I definitely used this room a lot more when Corona was bad and I couldn't go anywhere. Here is a really nice sized closet. I hang all my clothes in there. There's a little another patio area. And here is where I hang my laundry. Like I was saying before, I don't really have a dryer, so I have to hang all my clothes on that. Here's a little mirror I have and a small little sofa. And that's it. Please subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Take it easy, y'all.